Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Blythe Bags. And today we're going to kind of unbox Prima Dolly Aubrena. And I say kind of unbox because she was removed from her box. I purchased this doll used, and I typically don't do that. But I bought her specifically to attend the Virtual Blythe Retreat, and that is being hosted by Tammy Pauly of Peacecraft Dolls and her sister Terry. And her YouTube channel is Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, and they're hosting the Virtual Blythe Retreat. I've never gone before. This is my first time. I'm very excited. And a lot of collectors attend this Virtual Blythe Retreat. And this year's theme is Dance Like No One's Watching. And I was looking to buy some dance attire for one of my Blythes. And by the time I started adding it all up, the tights, the ballet slippers, the tutu, the leotard, all of that stuff, it was really expensive. And then I saw her on Zen Market for $73. So I was like, that's a no brainer. I already had a package that I was going to be shipping out. She's very light. She has like no stock or anything. This is a line that was less expensive. The Prima Dolly line is a less expensive Blythe. So it's like an entry level, like their Dolly Days now. They have a new entry level doll line called Dolly Days. And this doll came out in December of 2008. And she was at the time 8,000 yen, which is about 80 US dollars. So I picked her up for this special occasion. And she does come with all of her stock. She really didn't have much. It's just the leotard, the tutu, her pink ballet slippers or ballet flats, and the stand, which the stand is missing. And like I said, I got a great deal for her, and I'm going to use her for the virtual Blythe retreat, and I'm going to show you some of that Blythe retreat at the end of this video, because I'm going to film it in two parts. And I'm looking forward to seeing her. She's beautiful. She's in excellent condition. I can see the whites of her eyes. They guaranteed me that the seller said that the pull cord works and that there's no stickiness and no color transfer. I mean, she really, unless they had her in another outfit, there's nothing to color transfer on this doll. She's a very light pink leotard and her little tutu. And I'm looking forward to seeing what she looks like. She has long, straight hair, which, if you watch my channel, you know that that's my favorite kind of Blythe hair because it's the easiest. So let me tell you a little bit about her. So she has reddish auburn hair. And because there was two other dolls in the series, I know there's a brunette. I don't remember what the other doll was, but there's three Prima Dolly dolls that are like ballet themed. And she has long straight hair with bangs, and her stock includes her ballet outfit and her shoes and the stand. And she was released on December 4th, 2008. And yeah, she was released along with two other ballerina themed Prima Dollies. Ashletina, who has blonde hair and a blue outfit, and Violetina, who has purple hair and a purple outfit. And she is standard. So she doesn't have any special eye chips. She has blue right facing, orange front facing, green left facing, and pink front facing. So that is the story on her. And of course, I have my New York City Ballet shirt on today because it's a ballet theme. So I thought, why not? And let's go ahead and see what she looks like when we get her out of the box. I'm curious. Okay, so here she is. Here's the box. Very cute ballet theme. Her window was broken. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like. Okay, there she is. Very cute. You can see her whites of her eyes are really good. And for some reason, they retaped this box. So I actually need my cutter. And there she is. Very cute. Just have the little foot restraint there. Okay. Here she is. They tied her hair back a little bit. And she's got a little bit of static, but she's really cute. And she looks like she's in really good shape. Cute little outfit. Let's see her eyes. Make sure that they change well. Let me just pull this out of her hair. Okay, let's see. She's got the green left facing, pink front facing, blue right facing, and orange front facing. But I like the green, so we'll leave her on the green. And her hair looks good. A lot of static. I noticed lately a lot of static when I unbox them. So she's very sweet. And I'm going to go ahead and brush her hair, get her a stand. Oh, her little ballet slippers need to go on. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that, and we'll get her in her stand. Okay, well, here she is on her stand with her cute little ballet flats on. She's very cute. And her hair just is a little staticky, but it's okay. There's no frizz, so I'm fine with the static. And I put a little cute little pink clip in her hair, a little bow, but I think I'm going to pull it into a bun for the Blythe retreat. And now I'm going to show you my bag. And I forgot I had this little denim jacket. I put that on her because I figured, she's running out to rehearsal or something. She can have her little jacket on. She's just so cute. I actually can't wait to get her an outfit that's not her stock outfit and style her. She's adorable. Okay, let me go ahead and get my bag. Okay, we see our adorable little Blythe Aubrena the ballerina. And this is my bag. This is a Coach Georgie Saddle Bag. And it has mixed materials. It has leather here and here, and it has the canvas here, the coated canvas. And I love the gold sea. I know there's some controversy with that, but I love it. And I purchased this bag and never used it. In fact, you'll see when I show you up close, the zippers still have all of the plastic on them. And I purchased it in the very early spring of 2020, thinking I would use it for work. But then, you know what happened in the spring of 2020, and we all started working from home, and I never was able to use the bag. So I haven't used it. I thought about bringing it with me last year, and it has that really nice soft felt on the inside, and or it feels like velvet, but I'm sure it's just like a felt lining. And I still have tissue. I never even took the tissue paper out of this bag. I wanted to bring it with me to travel, and then didn't bring it with me to travel, but I wouldn't rule it out. Although now my next trip is going to be in the fall, so this really isn't a fall bag. To me, it's like a spring bag, but I love this bag. I thought it would be very cute with her because she has the same colors on, and it's just a really good size bag. And I love that there's a zipper pocket on the back. And I don't know, I like the bag. Now that I've seen it again, because like I said, I was looking for something recently and I discovered a bin that I forgot that I even had, and it had like all these bags in there, and I'm like, I didn't even remember I had those bags. So let me show you a closer look of the bag. Okay, so here's the bag up close. You can see there, and I love the tassel, and I love this inside. It's so soft. I mean, it's beautiful. As I said, it's never been used. Get outside pocket here, and the back has still the zipper, still has the plastic on there, the hang tag. It's just a really nice bag, and it's crossbody, which I love. Okay, so we've seen Aubrena and our bag, and now I'm going to end the video here and come back and show you some highlights and talk about what the Virtual Blythe Retreat was. It's my first one, so I'm very excited. And there's going to be some really great items raffled. I'm hoping that, I win one of them. But, and I'm going to try some of I think there's like a coloring activity. I think there's a few activities that I probably could try. I mean, I'm at the like 11th hour, but I'm going to do my best, and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So now it is Monday morning, and I did attend the Virtual Blythe Retreat all 3 days. It was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it was great. I'm so glad I was able to attend. Last year, I had just missed it by like a week. I got back from Japan with my first Blythe and started looking into things and realized I had just missed it by like a week or so. And there was a lot of activities that you could do, a lot of prize posts, which are like little tiny mini activities, workshops, fantastic workshops. There was photography workshops. Uh, Terry did a workshop for Blythe hairstyling, which for me was worth the price of admission alone. And Tammy did how to change out the eye mechanism. There was a pull cord and tutorial. There were many projects, so sewing projects, crocheting projects, jewelry making projects, just so many things that you could join in on and do lots of different activities. And it was a lot of fun. I'm so glad I attended. And next year, they're already planning next year's. And there were two grand prizes. One was a Blythe doll, brand new Blythe doll, Jayla, and then there was a Tanner Gwen doll. And I am so happy to announce that our good friend Claire from Claire Who Makes Things, she won the Gwen doll. I'm so excited for her. She is lovely. If you have not seen Claire's channel, Claire Who Makes Things, she's so sweet and so kind. And she was our very first guest on the Dolly Corner Live, and I'm so happy she got the Gwen doll. And on the one that just passed last Saturday, it's posted on my page. Was Our guest was March Payne, and I'm so excited. I can't even believe she agreed to do this. But um, Tammy Powley of Peacecraft Dolls, and she was the co-host of the Virtual Blythe Retreat. She has agreed to be our next guest on the Dolly Corner Live. So 4th of July morning at 11 a.m. U.S. Eastern Standard Time. She will be our guest, and we're so excited. She has 1,500 videos on her, over 1,500 videos on her YouTube channel. She does everything. She collects many different dolls. She sews, she crochets, she makes jewelry. She does everything. So check out her channel. I am so excited. She's like way beyond. I never thought she would agree. I never thought she'd agree to be on this tiny little. I didn't think. I was so thankful and appreciative for Claire and March Payne for agreeing. I'm like beside myself that these people who are so big in the doll collecting world have agreed to do this. So, and we had a great time. The 2 episodes that we have already done, we're doing it once a month, every Saturday, the first Saturday of the month. And it's been a lot of fun, and getting to know people and how they came about collecting and what their collections consist of. So much fun. So that was my experience with the Virtual Blythe Retreat. There will be another one next year. I'm excited. I will be attending that also. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And here's our little Prima Dolly Aubrena, the ballerina. She was my dancing doll for the retreat because the theme was dance like nobody's watching. So I had my little dancer, and I had a great time. So thank you for watching, and we will see you the next time.